Namaskaram. I am Sri Mahalakshmi from Andhra Pradesh. A warm welcome to one and all to watch the Pongal celebrations in our sweet home. Sankranti marks the first day of sun's transit into the Makar Rasi, that is the Capricorn zodiac, and marking the end of the month with winter solstice and the start of longer days. The Pongal is a festival mainly celebrated by farmers on reaching their harvest to their home. Pongal is celebrated for 3 days. The first day is Bogi. On this day, in the early morning, people lit Bogi fire. Useless household articles are thrown into the fire made of wood and cow dung cakes. People discard old and derelict things and concentrate on new things, causing change or transformation. Girls dance around this bonfire, praising gods, spring, and harvest. During this festival, the entrance of every house is decorated with attractive rangolis. The beautiful yet simple geometric designs are thought to bring prosperity to homes. It is a sign of invitation to welcome people, including Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity and wealth, into our homes. These are the rangoli designs which I made in front of our house.
The second day is called Makar Sankranti. On this day, we keep Bommal Koluvu. It is the arrangement of idols and dolls in the form of step-like horizontal arrays. This is our Bommal Koluvu.
In the first two steps, we placed idols of gods and goddesses. In the third step, we depicted that Mirabai is singing and explaining Lord Krishna's Leelas. Carrying Lord Krishna, Vasudeva is crossing the Yamuna river. Here Ma Yashoda is feeding Lord Krishna, and here Krishna is depicted as Makanchor, and here Lord Krishna is killing the demon Kalindi. Here Lord Krishna is spending his time with Radha, and here Lord Krishna is teasing girls who are carrying pots of milk and curd. In the fourth step, you can see people coming and taking blessings of Bhadrachala Rama, Tirupati Balaji, and Mangalagiri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami, who are the gods of famous temples in Telugu states. On the right side, you can see Gopikas dancing and playing dandiya or listening to Lord Krishna's pleasant flute music. In the fifth and sixth steps, you can see how we depicted Pongal celebrations. You can see that a farmer is harvesting his crop and taking the harvest to his home through a bullock cart. Here, few children are flying kites and enjoying. Later, you can see Haridasu and Gangireddu coming in front of a house. Nowadays, we can see this type of scene mostly in the villages of Andhra Pradesh. Here, a lady is milking a cow. Using that milk, they are preparing delicious sweet pongal. And in front, you can see the holy bogi fire. And here, few ladies are preparing delicious sweets in front of their house. In the sixth step, we have arranged a mini Bommala Koluvu. I used my kitchen set toys to do this.
Here, few girls are performing puja and dancing around Gobemmas. It is our ritual. I had also performed this puja and I, along with my friends, dance around these Gobemmas.
In the front of it, you can see the traditional cockfight which is famous at the time of Sankranti in East and West Godavari districts of Andhra Pradesh. In the seventh step, we placed idol of Balakrishna ji and performed the ritual of Bogipallu. Elements of Bogipallu are flower petals, chena, coins, akshata and regi fruits. It is generally performed to small children to eradicate negative powers from reaching them. In our home, as we are grown-ups, we did this ritual to Lord Krishna. After that, we gave Aarti to Balakrishna ji. Third day is Kanuma. On this day, farmers perform puja to their cattle. In our house, we offered delicious sweets to the gods in Bommal Koluvu and gave Aarti in the morning and evening for 3 days. Achyutam Kesavam Krishna Damodaram Achyutam Kesavam Krishna Damodaram Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं कभी मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं कभी मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं फिर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं फिर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम I just tried to sing this Hindi song. I am learning Hindi as I am coming to Varanasi. Athithi Devo Bhava is our culture. We have invited our neighbors to watch our Bommala Koluvu.